Okay, minus 7.2b. So we got two plans here. Which one do you want to do? You want to do this? Let's do this, huh? Okay.
Okay.
Now let's turn this back to the original 3D object, eh? Okay. By following the same steps that we did earlier on the first object. Okay. Okay. As usual, you're going to need either graph paper or a plain paper. In my case, I have only this. Okay. As usual, we need to set up the border to give some space lah, because the object then later going to incline to the left or to the right. This is why we need a little space on the left or right, and also in the bottom. So in order to have that space is when you need a compass. Where is my compass? Here is my compass. Okay, now everybody, let's do this together. So we timing it going to be in a middle like this. Okay, the starting point going to be somewhere like at this point lah. You decide it on your own. So since now I put a little mark because I want a border to be there. Okay, now I have to measure this. Okay, the length. Okay, make sure that this at the end of paper, like that. Okay, now we're going to transfer this measure on bottom and on the upper side like this, upper side. Simple way to transfer the length which is equal length. So we will have a straight line parallel to the end of the graph. And so does this. We're going to do the same on this side. We're going to transfer the length. Okay, from this line we're going to have 2 points. Okay, and then transfer to this side too. You begin with left or right, doesn't matter, as long at last you will have both 2 points. So there it is. Now we got 2 points on the bottom. You close your ruler, then let's have a light line there. Okay, and on the left side here also we got 2 points already. We can draw a line, a light line only. Okay, there it is. I got mine. Okay, do you have yours, everyone? Are you ready?
Cikgu punya garis kat tengah-tengah apa?
Just
Yang
estimate.
garis. Maknanya yang dua-dua tu garis tu tengah-tengah lah.
Tidak tengah sangat. Agak ke sini sikit. Kalau tengah ni masih jauh ni.
Oh, okey.
Okay, everyone. Now let's begin. Okay, start from this point here where both borderline meets. We're going to construct. We're going to mark all the all the points, all the vertex, correct? Okay. Sorry, we're going to have this this what? This drawing, X drawing here, transfer to the plane, the paper. So here we have 5 centimeter to the right, and 2 centimeter and 4 centimeter. Okay, so we need 2, 4, 5. Okay, let's do that. Let's mark 5 centimeter. Okay, as usual, we will not put a mark on in this in the middle here. We're going to put at the end of the paper. So here it is. I will measure 5 centimeter to the right. Okay, 5. Okay, 5 centimeter. So here to here is 5 centimeter, but notice that from this point to this point is 1 centimeter. This point to this point is 3 centimeter. This point to this point is 1 centimeter. So 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 3 centimeter is what made of 5 centimeter. Okay, so we're going to have 5. We have 5 already. We're going to have here 4 and 1 here. Okay, let's put a mark there. Five, we have already 4, 1. Okay, we're going to do the same on the upper side. Okay. Okay, now connect all the lines.
Cikgu buat tadi 145.
Ya, ya. Okay. Okay, semua orang dapat? Okay,
Dapat.
1 centimeter, 1 centimeter. In the middle, 3 centimeter. Combine all of them, 5 centimeter. Now we're going to have the height of the object. There are two height, 4 centimeter and 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter. Okay, 4 and 2, 4 and 6, 4 and 6. Okay, also we're going to mark the point at the end of the paper. 4 and 6.
Cikgu pusing kot mana pula.
Tak kisah pusing. Cikgu pusing kok kanan ke, cikgu pusing kok kiri ke? Kalau cikgu pusing kok kiri, cikgu buat kat kiri, cikgu kena buat kat kanan juga nanti, kan? Kalau cikgu pusing kok kanan dulu, cikgu akan buat kok kiri juga. Maknanya dua-dua kena buat juga. Jadi tak kisahlah pusing ke no pun.
Okay.
4, 6. Okay, 4 and 6. Okay. make sure when you mark the point, you hold your pencil straight. Hold your pencil straight to avoid parallax error. Very important. Okay. Okay, I got mine. Now, as usual, you're going to make a guideline with a light line, just like that. Okay. 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 I got mine now. Okay. How about you? Have you got all the guidelines?
Yes.
Okay. Now we're going to by assisted with this guideline, we're going to darken the line that we really convinced with. Okay, we're going to darken all the line here. Now let's darken all the line. Okay, do you got this?
Yes.
Now if you read a question, the diagram on the right shows the plane front elevation and side elevation of a combination of a cuboid and a right prism. Sketch the three-dimensional shape of the combined object. They didn't mention how many degree that we need to elevate to draw this object. Means that it is up to us. Okay, this time how many degree do you want to do? Is it 60, 45, 30? Let me choose. This time let's do 45. 45 degree. Okay, how to get 45 degree? By using a compass. Not using a protector. Okay, start from this point. Okay, start from this point. This point. Let's construct a line 45 degree. That you know how to construct the line. Okay. As we construct the line reflector. Okay. Now I've got 2 points now. If I connect this with this, I will have 45 degree line. Okay, make sure you want to do this light. Just make a light line just like that. Just to be a guideline. Okay, now we have 45 degree. How about you? Do you have this line? You know what?
Yes.
We only need one line. We need only one line that has some angle. On the other point, we're going to do the same idea as we learned before. We're going to transfer the line with the same angle quickly. How do we supposed to do that? This is time when you need to have two triangle ruler. You have two triangle ruler. Where is mine?
Yeah.
Aduh. Yang mana? Hilang. Duduk tang mana hala pula. Allah. Hai. Magic. Allah. Tunggu. Okey, nampak lah. Dalam timbunan nota-nota kertas-kertas A4. Ada. Kepala. Okey. Sambung Okey. Jadi ideanya kita akan lagakan dua pembaris ni. Untuk kita akan timing kedudukan ni supaya kita gerakkan slide satu lagi ni di atas slide satu lagi supaya dapat menyentuh semua titik ni kalau boleh menyentuh semua titik ni dalam sekali gerakan saja. Macam ni okey, boleh jadi ikutlah pusing-pusinglah ikut keselesaan kamu masing-masing. Okey. Dia bagi sama sini. Selari. Okey, dapat dah. Okey, tarik. Okey, sampai setiap each point you put guideline Okay. On this side, why I didn't put a guideline? Because it is hidden. correct? So there is no way I can see it. So this is why at first place I don't need this guideline. You're supposed to be able to imagine like that. Okay, now let's transfer the width, the width, all the width. Okay, according to this plan, the width is this, this is the width, which is only 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter only. So we're going to construct this width is 2 centimeter only, but how? We're going to transfer the measure also by using the compass. Okay, now set your compass to 2 centimeter. Okay, 2 centimeter. Okay, now mark on each side, on each vertex, on each vertex. Okay, okay, done. Okay, and so this side we will not have 2 centimeter because it is hidden, so we not need that 2 centimeter. Now it is time to darken all the line with length 2 centimeter, width 2 centimeter. Okay, okay, keep moving. Okay, before you darken the line, make sure that you set this ruler at the end of the ruler is parallel to this line that we just made. This is to ensure the drawing is as accurate as it can be. Okay. Okay, let and close all the gap. Ta-da! Done. Simple, Simple, pimple. Okay, everybody, you got like mine? Everyone? Are you done?
Yes.
Okay. And this is how you create 3D, three-dimensional shape out of a plan. Okay. Now let's do another one, shall we? Let's do next one. That is this one. Shall we do this one? This time it look different. Why? This time it got this semicircle here. It got curved part here. So how does it going to look like if we draw three-dimensional shape which got curved part? How do we draw the 3D shape which got curved part? Okay, shall we do this? First, you need to imagine. Can you imagine this shape? So at front, it look like this. At front side, on the Z side, on the upper side, it look like this. Can you imagine this? On the right side, it look like this. Can you imagine the shape? Okay. For quick view, you can do something on this to illustrate what will it supposed to look like. Okay. If I illustrate it, it's going to look like this. It's going to look like this. Okay. Okay. This is the 3D that it's supposed to look like. This time it inclined to the right. Before the thing that we draw, it inclined to the left, but this time it inclined to the right. It doesn't matter. So the idea is we going to have a space on the right side and the bottom here. But never mind, we can still begin at left side. So this give us the quick idea before everything. Okay, how does the object supposed to look like? So when we come to project the shape at the upper side here, it's going to take a little space. So make sure that your paper is where you set where you can have the picture in almost in the middle. Okay, this is your paper. Let's say. Now do you get the idea? On this side, left side here, we can make only a little gap. So we will have a much gap on the upper side and right side. If you see this, it is 8 centimeter height. The height is 8 centimeter, and the length to back there is 10 centimeter. It is very long to the back. So this is why we need this gap here to be as small as we can on the left side and bottom side here. Now let's do that, shall we?
Yes.
Okay. After we determine something, then we convince, then we can start our journey. Okay, never start your journey if you have a doubt. Clear all your doubt before you have a journey. Okay, now I have another piece of paper. Do you have another piece of paper? Okay, let's construct this gap. We're going to have a little gap only on this side. Okay, since it is a little, I believe we just use the end of the ruler, okay, to construct a guideline. You don't need to use a compass, because this is easier than using a compass. We have to mark 2 points, but in this case, guess what? We can construct directly the guideline from this by using this ruler. Simple, huh? Okay. All you need to do is you place your end of your ruler parallel to the end of your paper, huh? To have both gap. See, I got mine. Do you have yours? Okay. Jadi, okay. Now everything begin with this point here. You know what you need to do with this point here. Is the beginning of everything. Okay. Of this point here. Now after we have both guideline, we're going to construct this front view here. So it's going to look like this. Absolutely just like this, eh? So we need all the dimension. This is 4 and this is 6. So 4 and 10, eh? 4 plus 6, 10. 4 and 10. Remember the size, huh? 4 and 10. Up here we need 8 and 2. 8 and 2, huh? So now let's construct the line. 4 and 10. So here it is, 4 and 10. Okay, the same, we're going to put a mark in a bottom and upper side. 4 and 10. Okay, on this side, height is 8 and 10, 8 and 10. Oh, I forgot to put mark on the upper side. 4 and 10. Okay, on this side is the height is 10, 8 and 10. Okay, now you know what you need to do to have all the guideline. Okay, okay. Now we have all the guideline to what to draw the front view. Okay, now it is time to darken all the line that we convince. Okay. Here we got incline plane. Okay, done already. Then okay, another semicircle up there is when you need to use this. First you need to divide this diameter so it become radius, then you know where to put your needle. Okay, here it is, 2 centimeter. Okay, before you darken the semicircle, it is better if you check both sides on the left and on the right, so they meet at correct point. If they don't, you may want to adjust the position of the needle at the center. If you're convinced, then it is time to darken your semicircle. Okay, I have mine. Do you have yours? Okay. Now what? Now we're going to make a guideline, which is this time. Do you want do you want what angle? Is it 60 degree, 45, 30?
60.
Oh, you want 60? Okay, if you want 60, then let's do 60. But wait a minute, I want to ensure something. If we do 60, you know what? If we do 60, it's going to passing, see 0 to 10 here is passing through out of the border. So we will have not enough space. Not enough space. How about 30 centimeter, 30 degree? So the idea is the more it incline, maybe we got a small more space. This, the more it incline, the better it is. The better we got enough space lah. Can we do 30 degree this time? Shall we?
Yes.
Let's do 30 degree lah. Okay. Tapi 30 degree macam nanti bentuk ni pelik. Takut jadi pelik. Sat. 30 degree jadi pelik pula. 60 degree tak muat lah. Maknanya kita kena buat turun bawah lagi ni. Atau mungkin kena ni portrait macam ni. Tak apalah, dah tak sempat. Kita buat 45 boleh tak? 45.
Boleh.
Boleh Okay, 45 lah. Entah cukup pun tidak, tak tahulah. Tak apa, kita buat 60. Tak boleh. Kita buat 30 degree lah. 30. Okay, 30. Okay. Macam mana nak buat 30 tu? Ingat lagi? Okay. We can start at this point. Okay. can start at this point to have 30 degree. Okay. Okay, this is 60 degree. We're going to have divide some more. So 60 degree, if we do the same process, we're going to divide it to 30 degree, correct? There it is. Okay, let's construct a straight line. So here it is, I got mine 30 degree. Do you have yours 30 degree?
Yeah.
Okay, now we're going to transfer all this line to all points, so they will have the same degree, 30 degree. In order to do that, yeah, the same, you need these two triangle ruler. Here it is, two triangle ruler. Adjust your, you can turn your your ruler. This time I use this ruler because it can go longer than that. Okay. Where to place this? How to place this? Okay, set and go. Okay, here come the problem. Do you still remember, if we got a circle like that, and if we place a ruler, then when you're going to place this ruler that touch this circle at one point, it is at the tangent. Remember that? The tangent. So that is the idea. We're going to do the same. Where we're going to place this ruler is where the both line and straight line and tangent of the circle meet. Okay, in this case, at this, almost at this point. So you're going to bring your ruler close up on the only one point of a circumference of a circle. Okay, only one point of at circumference of the circle, like that. Okay, that's how you're supposed to do that. Now it is time to get this width measure. The width of the object is this, the width of the object. Okay, it is 10 centimeter. So below and up there is 10 centimeter. All of them is equal 10 centimeter. So measure 10 centimeter from the ruler. Use a compass to measure 10 centimeter. Okay, I have 10 centimeter. Now transfer the measure to the guideline we just have. Okay, 10 centimeter. Do on each guideline 10 centimeter, and also 10 centimeter on the what? Okay. Okay, we don't know the tangent, where the point of tangency, but let's transfer this. Do you see this circle, center of circle here? Also, we need to transfer the center. Again, we're going to place the ruler back. And bring it close to the center of the circle. Now we're going to construct the circle, the guideline. So this guideline here is center. So this, from this center to this, the center in the back is also 10 centimeter. So going to have 10 centimeter. Okay, 10 centimeter back on the center here. Okay, so the idea is, here is the center of the circle on the back. Now let's connect all the points, all the vertices. Okay, on this side too. Okay, okay, here come the last part. A little tricky, but not as tricky as it is. Simple one, Okay, this center here and to this vertex here is 2 centimeter actually, because it follow what is front there. Okay, until it reach there, you see. Allah, terlompat lah pula. So this is why it is important to tighten your compass, so it will not move easily. Okay, from this point of tangency, you can connect to this point of tangency. There it is. Can you see? Can you see the object? It is a little bigger, because the dimension is all big. Okay, this is the object. How does it going to look like? Yeah? Okay. Can you do it? Do you have it? Just like mine?
Yes.
Okay, not a problem. So the idea for this semicircle here is to bring the dimension of the center, so you can place your compass there and make the tangent. I make the circle. And both line here being connected with at where the last point, the last point of the circle, which we come to know the point of tangency. Tada! Okay, so we had reached our time, the end of our class. Don't worry, there is still many questions for you to do. Many questions. Make sure you do all of them. Okay, and we shall meet again. Assalamualaikum.
Thank you, cikgu.
Ya.
Terima kasih, Cikgu.
Ya.
Ya.